As you can see, this is RA perm. RA perm have like this block, salt block and a headlight. So we'll keep the headlight in our left side. So we need to only remember like the first step, which is R, U, R prime and F prime. Okay, so now you don't have to remember anything else. You just have to remember R, U, R prime, F prime. Now everything is intuitive. I will tell you how. We will move this pair. You can see this pair. We will move this pair right here. So we will do this like this, RU2 and again R prime. So this pair is here. Okay, now we will move this pair to here, right here. Okay, so remember, we need to again move this pair right to here. So we do like this. Now all we need to do is we need to insert this pair like we insert this cross pair. Like we insert this cross pair, we need to insert this pair. Okay, so how can we do that? We can do that by R prime, F and again then R. We have inserted here. Now we can see we have this pair right in front of. Now this pair must go here, but we don't enter it like this regular. We need we first move this here and then we will enter this here. Stop laughing, man. And then you do, and now we insert it. I hope you understand. If not, I will tell you again. See, we have headlight left side and then we have this pair. So we'll first thing you need to remember R, U, R prime, F prime. Okay, now we need to take out this pair and put it right here. So U2 and R prime. Okay, so this pair is here. Now we need to move this pair here. Okay, now we need to put this pair like we insert our cross piece, R prime, F and again R. So we have inserted here. Now we have this pair. We need to move this pair. We have to insert this pair here, but before inserting that we need to move this here and now insert it. Done.